Hello everyone, and welcome back to class. In this video today we are going to be looking at some revision questions from the past questions in further mathematics. I'm making this video for the sake of those who will be writing WAEC exam 2020, that is the West African Senior Secondary Certificate Examination in the year 2020. Now, the first part of the questions that I'm going to look at is the area of calculus. Let us check out this question from 2008 theory number 10b. Okay. All right. It says the integral. We should find the integral. I want to find the solution now. The integral of root x squared plus 1 x dx. This type of integral is done using algebraic substitution. Okay, so now what do we have inside the bracket? We have inside under the square root we have x squared plus 1. Okay, you can let something represent that x squared plus 1. All right, so now that we are changing the parameter, we must change the derivative that is here. So that means we can have du to be equals to 2x dx. By the time we differentiate x squared plus 1, it's going to give us 2x. So that is differentiating u, that's du, differentiating x squared plus 1, that's 2x dx. So and this gives me, dividing both sides by 2x. That means 2x equals to du over 2x. That is dx equals to what? Du over 2x. Now we can now substitute all of these inside this integral. So that means this integral becomes the integral of the square root of, instead of x squared plus 1, we put u. Okay, all right, and then we have x here, that's x times dx, which is a du over 2x. That means we are going to be having x to cancel x here. So we have the integral of square root of u is u raised to power half, this power half du over 2. So this is the same thing as half into half integral of u raised to power half du. Okay, so definitely this becomes 1 over 2 into u raised to power half plus 1 over half plus 1, the rule of a standard integral. So plus an arbitrary constant. So from there we can have a 1 over 2 times u raised to power 3 over 2 over 3 over 2 plus c, which is the same thing as 1 over 2 times the denominator here we have 2 over 3, okay, then times u raised to power 3 over 2 plus c. So this cancels out, we have 1 over 3. Now we can replace our u now with what we hid inside it. So we have a x squared plus 1 raised to power 3 over 2 plus c. So finally we have 1 over 3 into, okay, you can just put this one inside the square root of x squared plus 1 raised to power 3 plus c. So that gives us the final result. The second question is about trapezoidal rule. It says using the trapezoidal rule with ordinates at 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Calculate correct to 2 decimal places the integral from 1 to 5 of the square root of 2x plus 8x power minus 2 dx. Okay, I'm going to leave this question to be done by you. You can try it. So in the next video we're going to see the solution to it. Thank you and God bless you.